So softwares are mainly classified into two types: system software and application software. So look at this figure. The software is broadly classified into first application software, then system software. Application software is nothing but a set of programs necessary to carry out a operation for a specific application. For example, Paint, word processor, then typewriting any of software. So for a particular task we need any software, that is called application software. Writer, Calc, Excel, PowerPoint, then Photoshop. So these all are the programs that is used for performing a particular operation. So such a type of software is called application software. Then in application software also classified into packages and customized software. So here packages means it containing more than one software. Generally utility software, mostly software suites like that Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office is an example of a package. It containing Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Then customized software means tailor-made so the other softwares according to the user's need. So like a Photoshop, then Paint. So according to the user's needs, we need to make some software that is called customized software. So application software is nothing but it is used for a particular application only. Examples are Paint, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop. So normal software. Then second is category is system software. System software is nothing but software that control the internal operation of a computer. So system softwares are mainly classified into four types. Operating system. Operating system is an example of a system software. Then language processor, device drivers, utility software. So operating system, we already study what you mean by operating system. Operating system is nothing but it acts as an interface between user and hardware. Better example of an operating system is Windows, Linux, Android are the examples of operating system. So it acts as an interface between user and hardware. The next chapter we are going to study detail about operating system. So language processor means we already studied that computer use machine language. So we need to convert the machine language to any other language or the high level language to any other language, like program written in English like language to a machine language. We need a language processor. So to convert a program to machine level language, examples are compiler, interpreter, assembler. So in the previous class, the previous year, we already studied this type of language processor. So the coming chapters we need to study detail about this language processor. Then device driver means like a keyboard driver, mouse driver. So provide an interface between operating system and hardware. So this is also an example of a system software. Then utility software like virus handling, antivirus software, encryption software. So these are the example of a utility software. So these are the main difference between application software and system software. So software is classified into two types: application software and system software. So you need to make this diagram in your book. So this is just an introduction. In the coming days we study completely about the application software and system software in detail.